How to set up auto roles with Carlbot in Discord. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for carl.gg. Now you will see the option to log in with Discord, so tap on the log in with Discord option you see there and further enter your Discord login credentials in order to log in to Carl with your Discord account. Once logged in, you will be required to choose your server, so go ahead and choose the server, and once it's set, go back to Discord and open the server that you just logged in Carl with. Once opened, tap on your server's drop-down on top of your screen and then in the menu that appears, tap on the server settings option. Now from the left side toolbar under the People tab, you will see the Roles option. Tap on that and then tap on the Search Roles search bar and search for the role. Type in any role that you want to create and then tap on the Create Role option and then type in the role again and then tap on the Save Changes button. With this, as you can see, the changes has been made. Now go back and open carl.gg tab again and you will see the option for auto roles on the left side toolbar under the Moderation tab. Tap on that and then tap on the auto role option you see there and then select the role that you want to mark as auto role and then tap on the save option you see there, and with this your changes will be made. So this is how you can set up auto roles with Carlbot in Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.